Welcome back. This is video tutorial number 19. 19. This one we're going to do something a little bit different. So we're going to say we built this house, right? This is just the first floor. We don't have a basement plan or anything figured out yet. But we know we want to have some floor joists running across here. And we know we want them to run this direction, right? So to do that, instead of drawing each individual joist, which you could do, we're going to do something easier. Let's go to structure, and then all we want to do is click this beam system. Now, I just have to pick my boundary lines. One thing to remember when you pick these is whichever one you select first, that's the way it's going to run. So if I select this wall, I want to select that wall. So I can just pick lines, pick this wall first, and then now my trusses are going to run this way, my floor trusses. And I can select these other walls, and that completes that. And we'll say it's a fixed layout, that's fine. We'll click OK. And now it created a beam system that when we go into 3D, we'll just hide this real quick. You can see we've got some huge beams in here. Probably bigger than we need. But that's okay, because we'll just leave them in there. Because now you can change this system or each beam, and you'll just have to go and download a wood joist. They have them on the Imperial file on on campus. But there you go. That's it. Now your beams are placed in where they need to be. They're spaced properly, and they tag them for us, which is really nice. Because now you know exactly what kind of beam you have in your house and where they sit. This probably isn't important to too many people, but for those building, this is a great help to know exactly what needs to go where to make this building stable. Hope this helps you out in future projects.